Hello everybody, welcome to another Honda Element video. Today I'm going to show you how to install this rear side window shelf, and this one was purchased in elementdriven.com. I'm going to leave the link of this product in the description. So they do have shelves for the rear passenger and driver side, and this is a new design, guys, which I'm really happy to test it for the first time. And this one has like a foldable table. You guys can see over there the latches. I'm pretty excited to install this in my Element and test it and give a review after a few months of using it. And what it comes in the kit, guys, is of course this shelf. Then it comes two Phillips bolts, and it comes two of these, and also it comes one of these like a padding, so when we install this we don't damage the plastics. These ones we're gonna install right here, guys, so let me do it right now so I can show you. Okay, so let's install it over there. There it is, and then the other one is going over there. And also, guys, it comes with this plastic tool removal, which is pretty nice. They provide with these Phillips screwdrivers. That's something that you have to get. Usually most people have this at home. Pretty easy installation. So now let's move to the Element and let me show you how to install this. Okay, guys, so this is the rear passenger side of my Element, and I'm going to remove this window cover just to make some more space, get some more light. Okay, guys, so after removing the window cover, I'm going to use this tool. Just slightly pull on this and this piece should come out. Pretty easy to do. Okay, guys, so the next thing that I'm going to do is place this on top of this plastic trim, and then you guys gonna find two holes. There is one over there and another one over there. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is just grab a marker and I'm going to make like a line on my glass so I know where the position of the hole is. And you can always erase this black marker with some alcohol. And also I want to show you something in this shelf, guys. So if you turn this around, you guys gonna find these like dots. Those are like the same padding material that we got earlier, so those ones will just protect the plastic from being scratched. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this one right here, and then I'm going to install it through here. Then, guys, try to move this where the mark aligns, and then you might feel like this is not going smooth in, so you might have to like lift this a little bit and just kind of wiggle this like left and right. You will feel it once it's going in. Okay, so there it is, it's going in now. So there it is, guys. You can now, I have it aligned, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. And there it is, guys. It's aligned with this mark right here. It's maybe hard to see the mark, but I have both the lines. And now what we're gonna do next, guys, is just install our shelf back. But before that, don't forget to install this piece back. So this one has 4 holes over there. You just align it and then press it in. Pretty easy to do. So now we are going to sit this shelf on top, and you guys can always run the seatbelt back through this opening. I don't gonna do that because I don't use mine. I'm gonna see that over there. You can always check the marks too to kind of align it back. And now I'm going to grab my bolts. So it's gonna be a Phillips bolts. And then after I align it together, guys, then I'm going to use my Phillips screwdriver. Make sure that the Phillips screw goes pretty nice and smooth. You don't wanna mess up the threads of this. Looks like it's going nice and smooth. There it is. Just check again, make sure everything is nice and tight. It feels pretty solid. This thing is not going nowhere, I can tell you that. So you guys can see this one, like if you want to flip it up, you gonna kind of hold on this a little bit and then flip it up. So if you want to fold this down, then there is 2 latches over here. So you're just gonna grab these 2 latches and flip it down, which is really nice. So now let's put this shelf in a test, and I got a level right here, and Let me just put it over there. You guys can see the bubble is right in the middle. That's pretty nice. And let's see, in the morning it's super cold. I don't want to get out of my element, and I just want to make coffee inside my car. And then here is a bowl, some fuel for making coffee. Let's see, at night I want to make some ramen. Here's my coffee. Here is my cup. If I want to have some snacks, here's some tuna with jalapeno. And pretty nice, compact size, enough for what I need, guys. So far I'm pretty happy with this. You don't have to build like a huge cabinet to have a foldable table. It's pretty amazing, this shelf, guys. So let me show you how it looks. You guys can get a better idea. Guys, thank you for watching, and see you next Honda Element video. Bye bye.